This Windermere Real Estate / Whatcom Incorporated property video is presented by Arena Kayak, an oasis of serenity located between mountains, rivers and endless views. This turnkey custom cabin features 1,369 square feet of an open floor plan, vaulted ceilings, and large vented skylights for lots of natural light and the purest PNW breeze. This home features metal roof, plenty of storage space, a vast kitchen, HS internet and bay window seating area for book reading, or bird watching. The sounds of nature welcome you as you walk outside into the backyard with a large cedar deck with plenty of space for entertaining, a custom privacy barn door, and a hot tub to relax in. Short drive to Mt.Baker ski resort, endless hiking, fishing and biking trails and snow activities during winter months. Water is included in the HOA. Perfect Airbnb / VRBO. For more information, review the details below or contact Arena Kayak at 360-922-2600.